Understanding the foods that negatively affect gut health is crucial for overall wellness. Let's dive into specific foods that can disrupt your gut microbiome and why. Processed foods. These often contain artificial additives and preservatives with low nutritional value, which can harm the gut microbiome by reducing beneficial bacteria and promoting harmful ones. High sugar foods. Consuming too much sugar can alter the composition of gut bacteria, leading to an imbalance that favors harmful bacteria over beneficial ones. Artificial sweeteners. These can interfere with gut bacteria and may cause glucose intolerance, which is related to diabetes. Artificial sweeteners can disrupt the balance of gut flora, negatively impacting gut health. High-fat foods. Diets high in unhealthy fats, like fast food and creamy desserts, can disrupt gut bacteria balance and increase the risk of obesity and metabolic issues. Fried foods. These are high in saturated fats and can cause inflammation, altering the composition of gut microbiota and potentially leading to chronic diseases. Dairy products. For those with lactose intolerance or sensitivity, dairy can cause bloating, gas, and discomfort. The body's inability to break down lactose leads to fermentation in the gut, which disrupts gut health. By avoiding or moderating these foods, you can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome and improve your overall well-being.
I can't believe that you came into my life.
Maintaining a healthy diet is just one part of the equation. Regular exercise is equally important for gut health and overall wellness. By combining healthy eating habits with regular physical activity, you can support your gut health and feel your best every day.